Hello everyone! If after installing Docker desktop version 4.5.0 for Windows you get this message Docker desktop stopped, and when doing any command like Docker version in PowerShell you get an error. In the default daemon configuration on Windows, the Docker client must be run with elevated privileges to connect. You have three ways to solve it. First, go to the config file at C, users, username, application data, roaming, docker, settings.json, and set wslEngineEnabled true, as Docker support recommended. Second way, install lower version of Docker, try 4.4. The third way, if nothing helps, you can upgrade to Windows 10 Pro, and there you need to do step 1. I did step 3 and it helped me. Hope it will be enough step 1 for you. Goodbye, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe.